Could it be that the age-old game of chess has been left behind in our digital age? While there are plenty of digital chess games that pit you against an AI opponent, none of them can replicate the tactile experience of moving physical pieces on a board. But what if you could have the best of both worlds? Enter the machine learning integrated chessboard, a project designed to seamlessly blend traditional chess with modern technology. At its core, this innovative chessboard uses sensors and light-emitting diode (LED) matrices, coupled with a game engine and artificial intelligence housed on a PC. The primary objective? To provide a single player with the optimal practice experience on a real tactile chessboard. And this isn't just a concept, it's a working prototype. The project's aim was to bring the classic game of chess into the 21st century. This involves integrating sensors to detect piece movements, developing a game engine, creating an AI opponent with varying difficulty levels, and using LEDs in combination with an LCD display to show game moves and states. An Arduino board reads sensor data and controls LEDs based on the communication with the game and AI engines, all running smoothly in Python. The LEDs serve a few key purposes. They indicate the AI's moves, highlight possible moves a user can make when a piece is lifted, and issue a warning for illegal moves. It's like having a chess master by your side, guiding your play and challenging you at every turn. In the realm of chess AI, the undisputed champion is the Stockfish program. Stockfish uses a combination of techniques like alpha-beta pruning and an advanced minimax algorithm. This project emulates the same minimax algorithm in a simpler form. The team behind the machine learning integrated chessboard has successfully created a prototype electronic chessboard and a complementary AI opponent. Reed switch sensor readings, an LCD display, and RGB LEDs are all controlled by the Arduino Mega 2560 board. The game and AI engines communicate with the chessboard via the Arduino Integrated Development Environment and the Pi serial library. But the team isn't resting on their laurels. They're already looking at ways to improve sensor reliability, include more chess rule sets, enhance AI functionality, and move the AI to a Raspberry Pi for standalone functionality. The machine learning integrated chessboard isn't just a capstone project. It's a leap forward for the game of chess. It's a testament to the power of modern technology and the enduring appeal of this timeless game. So, the next time you sit down for a game of chess, remember that the future is already here.